Elwelu made the remarks during Soroti City and District Prayer Breakfast meeting sponsored by Bekodi, an NGO faith-based organization at Mayor's Garden in Soroti City.
Well, General Peter Elwelu has said something on politics. He said Ugandans need to practice politics, or that promotes love. Politics that is not divisive, and in a way that he was saying, he looked more cool and more polite than ever before. This general was this man earlier at the start insulted by General Muhoozi as a buffoon and a fool, and Muhoozi had said he should run as fast as his legs can take him. In fact, saying small legs can take him before he gets caught. Take a look at what General Peter Elwelu said.
Politics of transformation, politics of development, politics of unity, of love, loving one another, politics of togetherness, politics that helps our people, our country, not a politics that destroys us, not a politics that brings hatred, not a politics that divides us.
Lieutenant General Elwelu urged politicians that during this year's campaigns should maintain peace.
I believe in taking everything first to the one who created us, Elohim, the God of Israel, our creator, the God of our ancestor Abraham. That is the first thing you should do. You go and close your door and talk to him.
Well, now this one, we see it as a delayed New Year message that Peter Elwelu had to put it out. This came a few days after Muhoozi left the platform called X, where he was posting a lot of controversial tweets, and he said it is Jesus who has called him to go and focus on the UPDF, as if meaning he was not focused on the UPDF while staying on the platform X. We must also remember that Peter Elwelu is now based in Iteso, in Soroti City, where he comes from, and he's mostly engaging himself in religious activities, especially Christian gospel. He has become a serious devoted pastor for Iteso sub-region, and this is something that nobody expected of him. Some people are saying that it's a strategy of getting closer to attain more people. As already seen in Uganda, many politicians are using churches to gain votes. It is happening all over, even in Acholi sub-region, northern Uganda, elsewhere. They're using a lot of churches, especially the born-again churches, to get votes or to get religious sympathy. Elwelu has so far ceased to respond on the insult by his master, that is the CDF Muhoozi. But then the chief, or the king of Iteso, had his response on this matter, where he said something on Twitter is not official. He's still waiting for Muhoozi to say it verbally or on a public platform, maybe a traditional TV, then they would put some response. So this message is something which is a good one, but then we still don't know whether he is now enjoying the absence of Muhoozi. A lot of things are unknown and what sets ahead of Uganda, and the claim of indiscipline from General Elwelu by Muhoozi is still also something unknown. But then, anything that appears, we are going to put it here on Acholi TV. Stay subscribed.